Meaning of governess.
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 Governess. A governess is a female employee who is hired to educate and supervise the children in a household. She is responsible for their intellectual and moral development, as well as their daily routine. In earlier times, a governess was considered a highly respectable position and often required a certain level of education and social status. However, as education became more widely available, the role of the governess declined. Today, the term is less commonly used, but it still refers to someone who was hired to provide private education and care for children in a home setting.